I seriously need to finish this soon. This has gone far too long. At least I've already established that people can die in this house. But my graphics card is vomiting again. Let's just... Where's Amanda? Where is she? Oh, she's showering. I thought she disappeared or something. Yeah, sorry, Mage. No thanks. I need several things actually. A friend. Sleep. Turned aging off, so it's just still as useful as it was. So people won't age up as elders. Have those clothes. They can't change. I need more. Need more food. I need one more friend. Okay, pause. No. I need to sleep. I need to talk to make in one more friend. Too many friends. It's kind of making me sad. Should have turned AG on, but well, man, I feel like this is just getting really dull. No, it's not even watching these videos. But I need to finish this soon. I need to get to top to win. I need to do that soon. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's with you people? What's going on? Is there a curse that's placed upon me? Gosh. I think these fire groups are sabotaging this. Alright, no. Take a quick shower and go sleep. Oh my god, it's still going on. I really don't need this in my life. Stop panicking. The only one who can do this. I really need to sleep. Happening. Of course, someone's gonna take my bed. Whatever. Jericho just saved your life, and this is how you're cheating. Still, wait, one and only chance to sleep. Shame on you. Why fires keep happening? I'm gonna have to cook for them now. See if they can't. Oh my god, it's just, why this weather is terrible. Everyone's like Is the fire ghost like making this happen, making fires happen? I don't know. But like the starvation ghost like steals our food, so it makes us more susceptible to like hunger. So maybe the fire ghosts are doing that. I don't know. I think it has something to do with that, with the constant flame and stuff. Really, Amanda, why are you running? It's not gonna harm me. Really, I think I need to also. Oh my gosh, God, he just peed. Terrible. Plus there was a bed open, was stupid and didn't pay attention to it. Now let's talk, let's chat a little. Call Sim. Let's talk.
In Brabazon. Etron Ube.
I don't know why. Oh wait, I'm sorry. I don't know why we in Goop and get along so much. I don't understand. Alright, you better cook something that's not. Okay, good cereal. It's not gonna color fire. It's not color. Bit hungry actually. Oh, stop crying. Just eat your cereal. I need to fix that up too. Dang it. Let's see if he... Yeah, of course. Of course, so she's pointless, so... Another entertainment. Dang it. Two things up there. Got what I want. Yeah, he had the environment. Because that man is doing that thing, because the fire started because of her. Oh, at least... Oh, there's not bed open. Oh, good. Good, good. Let's go sleep early. Oh, a townie. I could talk to a townie. Oh, that was pointless. Thought Mage was gonna steal my bed. But it was I can't say words. Another townie. Not a townie. Yeah, it's a townie. Don't recognize her at all. No, it's not even partly empty. Now it's partly empty. Mage is having a hard time. He's the yellow. I don't think I can get out of this bed, so I have to just wait. Oh, congratulations, Amanda. I have faith that you'll stay alive at least. Oh, dang it. I woke up. That's just the nation. I hate tourism so much. Well, it's not technically important. Mage, you're terrible, man. Oh, and it's 11 minutes.